We can't all fit the trunk. Yeah, I want to all fit. Okay, who wants to sit on my lap? Well, I want to take the baby and where's Chelsea? Oh, I'll take the baby and Chelsea, and I want to sit on. We'll sit on Skipper's lap. Stacy, maybe you should get in first, just to make sure there's room for you, and then the other girls can sit on your lap if there isn't room. But there's still some room for the girls in the middle. Come on, Polly. I can't get in. Okay, just fall down the middle. Skipper, your head's in the way. It's raining. We can't go to the park.
What's that one at?
Well, if there's like down, why are they trying to save his life?
Yeah.
Well,
You girls, guess what?
if I want to interrogate
Ben is going to go pick up some cake. Yay! Thank you, Daddy. Oh, you're welcome, sweet pie. And you're welcome to all of you girls. Ben, you're the best. Okay. Why don't you go, Barbie? Girls, let's have a dance competition. Skipper, no, I don't want. Yeah, Skipper is the judge. I'm going to. No. That's not right. How about you are the judge, the one that I'm pointing at. Just leave down below in the comment section what you think who won. Let's go. We have been practicing a dance routine that we want to do together. And please text hashtag the 3 little cute muffins, because that's gonna be our name. Boop, boop, boop in the comments if you think we win. Boop, 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 boosh, 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 boosh. Yeah, boosh, 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 boosh. That is so much fun. Okay, next turn. Do 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 do. Whoop, ba-doo, whoop, ba-doo. Do 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 do. Yeah! I hope you comment hashtag Super Epic Stacy. Well, me and Polly are the cute. Me, the baby, and Polly are the cutie pies. Okay, come here, little sister. You have to be part of our group because you're the cutest and you're gonna help get attention. Do 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 do. Skipper. Do 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 do. La 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 la. We're the cutie pies in the house. Cutie pies in the house. We are so cute and we hope you vote for the 3 amazing cutie pies. Whee! Boosh! Ben, I thought you were gone. Ben, why are you dabbing? Ben, just go. Well, it's my turn. Let me put on some music on my phone. La la la. I want this phone. And I mean not that music. Do. Wait, let me start it off with a good chance of winning. Do that dab, do that dab. Yeah, oh, do that dab. Oh yeah. Now rock it down and shake your hair. Rock it out, rock it out. Oh yeah. Do that dab. Ooh. Do that quick fast dab. Do that, do that, do that, do that. Dab. I'm gonna win. Hashtag Skipper the Dabber if I won. Okay. What is dabbing even? I don't know. No. Well, guys, I'm kind of bored of waiting for Ben. But he's getting cake. So how about we have? I have an idea. Let's you three little girls. We're gonna play hide and go seek. I'm gonna go hide. Shh, don't tell where I'm hiding. I'm gonna be in the car. We always hide together, and we're hiding right behind this cool ottoman thing, and it has like this camera. I don't think it's actually recorded though. We're going to hide where no one is going to find us. We're going to hide under the house in our basement in Pure Side, because no one barely ever goes into the basement. And I'm going to hide where no one would suspect a person. I'm going to hide right there, because we have a poster, a life-size poster of me. Just kidding, we don't. I'm gonna hide behind in my secret lair, and that is behind a poster. Well, I know. I found you girls. Your feet are sticking out. Oh man, that was a bummer. But Stacy is probably hiding in her secret layout. Okay. Oh man, I really need to stop hiding. And I'm going to check the trunk. Where are the last girls? They know that the basement's off limits. I mean, the last time we were down there, there was a big spider in the basement. There's a spider, Polly. Give me the baby, please. But I like the baby, but I need to hold her up high. Help! Oh, that's the girls in there in the basement. Girls, how did you get down there? The ladder fell. I can do a triple flip. Hold on tight, girls, because I got your back, but you also have to hold on tightly. That was super amazing, Stacy. Girls, never go down there again. I'm going to make an off-limits sign. Let me go grab a pencil. Oh, yeah. The perfect pencil in the world. Orange, because orange is kind of a costume color. Stacy, why did you get the biggest hand? Because I needed to get it. Ta-da, and I'm going to go and press that down. Okay, now people know it's off limits because it's off like it sounded off limits. Go check out the next video to see Ben with the giant cake.